Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Dominic, aka Mr. Bulldog 1965. Hey, we're going to do another talk and review, this time on a nice pistol that I really had like. It's a CZ-75B. Beautiful gun, and it's unloaded as usual. I'm always going to have these unloaded for you guys. But it feels great in your hand. This is another gun that will definitely hold its weight for protection guns. That's all we're talking about is protection guns and guns that we can pretty much use on a daily basis, taking it to the range or whatever. But you talk about a very nice 9mm gun. This CZ-75, you can't go wrong getting one of these. Now, CZ-75 is a Czechoslovakia made gun, but you can purchase them in the United States. They're all over. And most police forces still use the CZ-75 version of these guns. So these guns are definitely a real, true, beautiful handgun pistol. Now, one thing I will say, the one I've got holds 15 inside the magazine and one in the chamber. But we're not gonna talk about that too. That's for a whole nother show when we start talking all that in the chamber itself. But let's go ahead and break this down a little bit. The CZ-75 fits. I got big hands, and this fits perfect in my hands. Perfect hands. Double action. And again, the CZ-75, for an all-around gun, if you have two magazines with you, you got over 30 rounds. If you can't knock something down with 30 rounds, you shouldn't be having a gun to begin with. Because all it takes is one bullet. Stopping power on one of these CZs is over 65% with one round for 9mm, which is not bad. Say over 60%. Beautiful gun. It feels really good in your hands. It weighs a little over 2 pounds. I think it's 2.7 pounds, something like that. But I'm not. Don't quote me on that, guys. But again, like I said, it's a beautiful, beautiful gun. Beautiful gun. I had this from an officer friend of mine that we traded, or I bought it from. I can't remember. It was either a trade or a bot. But I carried this for a little while with me when I was working down at the sheriff's department. But this CZ-75 is a beautiful gun. Now, I've taken it to the range, and it is accurate as you can get. 50, I would say up to 30 to 50 feet. You can't go wrong with this thing. Like I said, with two magazines, you got over 30 rounds. Now, Guys, I will say this. This CZ is, for me, the gun I would, one of the guns I would definitely have in my arsenal, and I do got it. You guys, you guys got to understand that these guns are made for adults that definitely you like to go out, and they're not really for hunting, they're for more self-defense, okay? Because 9mm is more of a self-defense weapon. But yeah, just to let you know, a review on this thing is really nice. I like it. I enjoyed it. I've had it for several years, and it's a very beautiful gun. You guys give me a comment and tell me what you think of the model number CZ-75. Tell me what you guys think, and I'll get back with you. But don't forget to sub, like, and comment. And definitely, y'all have a great day, and we'll talk to you on the next go around. Take care.